take 2 on Lucille's character intro.
Hi, I'm Eleanor Gardiner and I'm playing Lucille in Gatsby's. Lucille is a friend of Myrtle's, and I've interpreted Lucille as being an interesting mix of status and also a passivity to that idea. She's very aware of her own status and aware of those around her, but doesn't want to do anything to change it. To people below her, she's very blasé about, whereas those above her, such as Gatsby, she's intrigued by and she wants to know more about, which is why she's drawn to the club, I think. She loves the idea of money, and she's very much driven by that idea of materialism. The only thing that she really cares about is the price of her dress and the fact that Gatsby could just replace it like that. It's a very interesting idea that's discussed a lot throughout Gatsby's, and the idea of getting what you want, and I think that's all Lucille cares about. And I think her, as with a lot of the other characters in Gatsby's, don't really care for what happens afterwards or for cleaning up after themselves. Sorry?
How would you put your spin?
How have you played the character?
Yeah.
I played her as very...
Played your character. How have you played the character?
How do you play the character? Take 2. How do you play the character?
I played Lucille as a very laid-back character. She very much goes with the flow of what's happening around her. She's at Gatsby's for the drinks and the money, the idea of all that wealth around her, rather than for the company, I think.
And the date?
Gatsby's is on Thursday, the 10th of May in the PG. Free drinks available. Everyone come and see it at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Cool. Okay. Anything else to say?
It's going to be a brilliant show. Don't miss it.
Good.